StraightAllDay.com.
This ball handling drill, I'm using one hand at a time on it, going across my body and on the same side of my body. So I'm going with a dribble through the legs to behind my back, then I'm a behind the back dribble to the other side of my body, and reach around, get it with a quick rhythm dribble, and then repeat. So it's through the legs, behind the back, rhythm dribble, repeat. Through the legs, behind, rhythm, repeat. Then I'm going to go to the left side and I'm going to do the exact same drill. So it's going to go through the legs here, behind the back, I'm grabbing it with that same hand, a rhythm bounce there, and then repeating the drill doing the exact same thing. So I'm just working on dribbling on different planes, reaching my hands around my body, working on just different, like I said, different planes of handling. Because you never know where the ball's going to go in the game. You never know what situation you're going to be in, what you're going to need to do ball handling wise. But you want to be able to keep a live dribble in all situations, especially if you're a guard looking to distribute. Hit that thumbs up button to like this drill. Work on your game.